So this is a little excerpt from a flat Earth clickbaiter called Joel Benjamin 528, and he, as far as I could tell, has started up a flat Earth hangout to capture an audience and sort of put his super chat thing in so he can get donations. But yeah, I jumped on and had a bit of a conversation with me. He turned me right down, so you'll have to excuse the fact that you can hardly hear me. Not that I had a great conversation anyway, but it's here for you to enjoy.
Black Power 187 TV. They gave $5 in the super chat. Again, you just go here, you click send, and you could dollar, you could put $3 if you want, but then they have this right here where they have the pointers, the markers for you, and you could do it like that. Okay, anyway, so shout out to Society of the Spectacle, or the Septical. My apologies, I stay jacking up names. Shout out to you. Anyway, I'm gonna open up this chat and let's see anybody idiotic comes up in here. And I'm not saying idiotic because you believe in the flat earth. I'm not trying to disrespect you. When I say idiotic, talking about how you come across giving your presentation. All right? If you come at me with hate, your ass is getting sent to the block party. Simple as that. I'm putting the link up, people. Come into the chat. Come on in. You all are welcome. Let's see. Notice some of them bots, they'll talk up a storm, but they don't ever come in the chat. I see Superus Chemo. Yes, clickbait here. This dude is a troll. I don't know who you're talking about. Is a troll. And I ain't doing no clickbait. This stuff is Illuminati government mind control. And this information they're giving you. They want you to argue back and forth. That's all they want. That's all they want. They want you to constantly go back and forth, fight, argue. And I'm not doing it with them. Hold on, I think somebody just came into the chat.
Hello, how you doing?
Oh, I see Global Media on there. Shout out to G-Con. Hold on, Malik Willard just give $1. Yo, shout out to you. Thank you. Okay, who is this? Nathaniel Oaks. Okay. What's up? Unmute your mic, Nathaniel.
How you doing? What's your name, my friend?
Joel Benjamin.
Joel Benjamin. Very pleased to meet you. How you doing?
Pleasure. Talk to me.
Wow, I'm just wondering what you're doing.
I heard of you. I heard of you. So go ahead. Talk to me.
I'm asking the same thing. So what's the score? It just seems like clickbait to promote your super chat because you don't seem to know anything about flat Earth.
Okay. Now, what I notice is you're saying I don't know anything about flat Earth. It's not clickbait. And it's not to promote no damn super chat because the super chat only just started. And I've been telling people, yo, send something. I come on here. Sometimes I'll be on here an hour, 2 hours. All right. Obviously, you haven't checked out a lot of my videos. But since we have you on here, Mr. Oaks, how did you find out about me?
You put flat Earth in your tags and in your title. So when I search flat Earth, you come up.
So I came up #1 on the search?
Well, for live, yeah.
That's very interesting because it got so many, and normally I don't come up first. But you know what? We ain't gonna debate that. This is the thing. I noticed flat Earth been pushed by a lot of Europeans. Okay, it only just started coming out heavy. At one point, yes or no? Give me a simple answer, yes or no. Were they not looking to arrest and kill people at one point for saying the earth was round? Simple yes or no?
I don't know.
Say that again?
I don't know. I have no idea. What does that have to do?
Hold on. Wait. What was that? You said you have
No,
no
I don't.
idea?
I don't know, no.
Okay, now you're saying this is for clickbait. Hold on, hold on. You just said you don't know.
Do I not
Wait,
get,
I don't want to boot you. Hold on, I'm gonna let you talk. I don't want to boot you. I don't want to boot you. I'm the host of this show. I don't want to boot you. You came on, I'll let you on. Not a problem. Now, I'm gonna let you speak. Now, you tell me about doing biased research or not to do biased research. I need to do unbiased research, and that I'm using these titles for clickbait. And you don't know something as simple as that. At one point, they were arresting people and killing them, okay, by law for saying the earth was flat. I mean, excuse me, for saying the earth was round because it was going against their flat earth agenda. You don't know about Christopher Columbus, and it was afraid of him sailing the seas because he might fall off the edge of the earth. You never heard of that before? Are you serious? Because if you just say no, you haven't heard of it, I ain't gonna go on any longer with it. You never heard of that before.
We just listed a whole load of other stuff about people falling off the edge of some disc.
I'm sorry, hold on. I'm sorry, let me turn up your audio.
Oh, sure, I've heard about that.
Hold on, let me turn up, hold on. I'm having trouble hearing you. Let me turn up your audio.
Sure. So,
all right, go ahead, speak. You said, I'm sorry, what was that you said?
So yeah, sure, I've heard of people have the idea, the ludicrous idea, that we would fall off an edge. I mean, this is like really basic stuff in terms of flat Earth. I don't mean to be condescending, but the idea that flat Earthers think we'll fall off an edge is ludicrous. I mean, day one of looking into this subject, there's an ice ring, proposed ice ring around the edge that's holding in all of the water. So I ask you a question.
Hold on. I'm sorry. You said what is around the edge? Repeat that one more time.
So I've never been to the edge. So this is what some, not necessarily me, I've never been to Antarctica, but the idea that Antarctica, what you picture as a globe head, somebody who thinks you live on a globe, has the idea, the notion of Antarctica being on the bottom of a globe. Well, we have the idea that Antarctica is around the edge, containing all of the water. Now, water physically is flat. It always is flat, level. It's retained within whatever it's retained in, but flat. If it's not, it will dribble away. It can't conform to a spinning ball. You're told that you have this idea, this mathematical equation, this theory called gravity. And this theory tells you that you have people upside down, antipode to you, stuck to the bottom of this ball through this force called gravity, which can also be defied by a butterfly flapping its wings while it simultaneously holds tons and tons of water to the bottom side of a ball.
Hold on. You see, you know you just messed up, right? You know you just effed up. You know that, right? Now, you're saying Antarctica is what? A sheet of ice that's going around the flat earth, correct? That's what's holding in the water, right?
What I'm saying is there's plenty of flat earthers out there that would argue that water at rest is always flat. And
so wait. No, but you, what do you think? What do you think? What do you believe from your research? How is the water staying on the planet? Because you said there's a band or something. That's what I want to know.
Okay, I can only state facts. Water at rest is always flat and must be contained. Simple as that.
How is water flat? You know what you say? But when you say water is flat, you know what that tells me? That you're saying that we're flat. That's like you have a hologram. Because water, if you pour out water right now, right? Yeah, wait, go ahead, talk so the people can see your screen.
Yeah, there you go. So that's water. It's at rest. It's completely flat. It's contained. So therefore, by the nature of physics, water, which is we're covered in the stuff, yes, covered in it. It's
now, if you take water out of that glass, just throw it up in the air, guess what? It will not be like this sheet of paper flat. If you just take water and throw it up in the air, water, listen, hold up, I'll let you talk. If you take the water in that glass right now and throw it on your face or just throw it up in the air, it will not come out of there flat. By what you're saying that water is flat, like how this paper is flat, I could throw this paper anyway. You understand what I'm saying? But the paper is still a flat sheet of paper.
The problem is you're not listening to the words I've used.
No. You're not gonna fool me with that one. You're not gonna fool me with that one, because let me tell you something.
I'm not trying to fool anybody.
You said nah, because I see y'all and I know who y'all are. You come out here and you try to say that the earth is not a sphere, but you say water holds in what it retains or whatever. But the earth, if the earth is flat, if you take a ball and you pour water on the earth, guess what's going to happen? That water is going to conform. Excuse me. If you pour water on a ball, it's going to go all around the ball. And yes, it will drip down the ball. Yeah. Hold on. Go ahead.
Oh, yeah. I can do it. I can do it.
Go ahead.
I have something spherical and I'm going to pour water on it. You're saying it conforms to it.
Wait, water is not going around it? Water is not going around it?
Wait, hold on.
It's dribbled onto the nearest flat.
Hold on, G consciousness. Hold on. I'm gonna let you get in, G consciousness. Hold on. I want him to finish.
And you're just talking over me. Just let me finish.
No. He interrupts you. Hold on. He interrupts you. Listen. He interrupts you. I told him to hold on. Go ahead. I told him to hold on. Go ahead. I want you to finish.
Okay. So I've poured it onto a ball. Wasn't exactly a perfect sphere, and it didn't conform. It dribbled off onto the nearest flat surface, like it did when it was in the glass. It found at rest, the words that you didn't listen to, it found its level. Water at rest finds its level. Now, don't get me wrong, the oceans aren't completely at rest, but they certainly they aren't conforming to a sphere. That's just not what's happening.
Right, okay. Hold on, Joel Benjamin. Wait, because this is what I want to say real quick, and we have to do this because he's on here and people know about science on here. For instance, do you know anything about molecules or anything about atoms or any of those things? Because we know that hydrogen is a atom that's inside of. That deals with water molecules.
Jump in the gun, G consciousness. That's what I was
No. I understand that, but see, what he's trying to do is, like, for instance, you just picked up a plastic material which has mass. The mass of the Earth is greater than the mass of that ball that you got.
Hold on, G. I gotta cut you off, because this is where gravity comes in, which I'm about to get into, and they got a nice, interesting way of trying to debunk gravity, saying gravity ain't what it really is. But go ahead, G. I'm gonna let you finish. You're doing good so far, G. Consciousness. Go ahead.
Right, and that's what I was about to get to. Now, we know that each material has what you call subatomic particles in those materials, and they have what you call strong force. Now, when you look at the strong force and you know how a nucleus or atom works, which we split atoms today, you will understand that these objects have what you call strong force. And if something get outside of that strong force, only way it can get outside of that strong force is through a force of what we see, just like planes getting up in the air. They have to have force to get outside of the strong force of gravity of the Earth. Now, Stop
right there. We know the Earth is like a big magnet, okay? We know that we have magnetic fields. We know about the Bermuda Triangles. The government don't even lie about it and say it's not real no more. Okay?
So, that's a quick question. How do we know that we've got magnets in the Earth? You say we know. How do we know?
Okay, you never seen a magnet before?
No, you said.
No. You never uncover up. I'm answering you. You never dug up a lodestone, or you know what a lodestone is?
Right. So
no, do you? Yes or no?
No.
Okay, see, this is something I'm giving you, so you don't say that I'm just using clickbait, because you say about doing unbiased research, and I'm having you on. I'm being fair with you. Let me finish.
I haven't said that.
No. Other people have said that. You're right. Other people say that I've done unbiased research, but okay, hold on. But I'm being fair with you. I'll let you speak, right? I didn't cut you off. I could have just boot you out the chat. I didn't do that. Now, this is the thing. Dig up a lodestone or go get a lodestone. They're deep within the earth, all right? They're magnet. If you put a lodestone, which I have a few, I sell it at Nicholas, Brooklyn. Check out the website, nicholasbrooklyn.com. Yeah, gotta add my plug. But just take the lodestone and rest it down for about a day, 2 days, 3 days. And within that week, you will notice not just the dust particles, but the metal within the air that's going around in the air, because you know we're breathing in heavy metals on a constant basis, right? With all the exhaust and all this chemtrails and everything else. You'll notice the metals stick on to the lodestone. So that's something for you to look up. Look up lodestones. Damn, there's another name for them. I don't remember the other name. Magnetite, I believe, is the name of it. Magnetite. Hold on 1 second. I'll get. I'm sorry.
I'm trying to lead you down a path, right?
No. That's the problem. You're trying to lead me down the path. I'm showing you what the path is. I'm not going to have you come around and lead me down no path, because for too long, they've been leading our people down a path. And when I say they, I'm talking about Illuminati. I'm talking about government manipulation.
Not me.
Wait a minute. I ain't saying you. You might be, don't take no offense to this. You might just be one of those useful idiots. All right. And I'm not saying that to diss you. I'm saying that's what they call you. Or you might be a goyim. You understand? That's what they like to say. People that's just bottom feeders and just ride along with the program. Useless cattle or useless sheep. Okay. You might study this stuff. And I just mentioned a few things to you that you did not know about. All right. Everybody knows about magnetic fields. Everybody knows about frequency. And I'm telling you, okay, with water is not just flat. That's not true, because like I just said, you could throw water up in the air right now or go off a building, because what you talk about is resting.
At rest. You're talking about throwing
at rest. You're talking about at rest. That's at rest. But remember, we dealing with molecules. Remember, hold up. We're dealing with molecules. Back up.
Imagine a lake. You know, lake.
Say that again.
Is a lake. Do you know what a lake is?
Yes.
Right.
A lake.
Massive body of water that is at rest.
No. Let me tell you why the water is not at rest. See, this is the teaching the European gave our people and think, oh, this is what it is. But when you go to the birthplace of, they say it's all civilization. What is that birthplace, sir? Come on, Mr. Oakley.
Why are you asking me? You just told me something ridiculous.
Do you know yes or no? Do you know yes or no? You see, you know the answer. You're being smart right now. Do you know where is the mother of all civilization? Yes or no?
Yeah, I didn't hear half your question, because what I'm doing now is looking for a picture of a lake to show you.
Okay, but all right. So let me get your attention real quick. What is the mother birthplace of all civilization that is said?
That is said?
I'll give you a hint. What continent?
I have no idea.
Scientists even admit this. Okay, I'll tell you, because you want to play games. Africa. I know you heard that before. Where are you from, by the way?
England.
Okay. Now we're cooking with fire. So, Africa, okay? Since you want to pretend like you don't know. In Africa, when you study all the different cultures, even the ones that was considered heathen in nature, they knew the earth was round. Not only that, they know everything moves. Hold on, you got to talk so people could see your screen.
There you go. So that's a lake, a massive body of water at rest. It's not up in the air.
Okay, now it's not at rest, And I'm going to tell you why it's not at rest. Because if you study basic science, everything is made up of molecules and atoms, and it's constantly moving. It is not ever at rest. There's an old saying. Hold on. You're going to take over my show now. There's an old saying is, what happens when an unstoppable force meets an immovable object?
We're moving on from lakes. So what about when the lake freezes over? Is it at rest then?
No. It just slows down the vibrational frequency.
Right.
You learn, come on, man. You in England. What school you went to out there in England, man?
Right.
Come on. Did you go to college? No, not even college, because your levels of education is very high out there. So stop playing games with me, man. You learned this in school, did you not? Did you learn this in school? Did you not?
I didn't hear your question. I'm sorry.
There you go again. I'm going to ask you simply. What school did you go to? College? You went to college out there, I assume, right?
Good. I went to Stratford-upon-Avon College of Performing Arts and studied performance art and technical theatre.
Okay. All right. So I hope you're not acting right now, because
phone call.
Because I'm telling you right now, bro, when you study out there the molecule structure, and you brought up a good point with ice, but everybody knows the reason why the ice comes hard and dense is not because it stopped moving, it's frozen and that's it. It's that the frequency has been slowed down. Perfect example for you.
Okay.
Cryogenics. Hold up. Cryogenics. Perfect example. Cryogenics. When they freeze the organs, or they freeze the whole human body. Okay?
But has nothing to do with the shape of the earth.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Because you brought up ice. And I could have said ice don't have nothing to do with the shape of the earth. But it does, because the theory, or what people say is, hold on, I'm gonna have to mute your mic. People say is that there's an ice show has nothing to do around the globe.
I've failed to get to the end of 1 point so far.
What point? I brought up so many different stuff for you, and you couldn't even answer. There's a lot of stuff you don't even know what a lodestone is, which is magnetite. You don't even know what that is. And then you're telling me about water, then you're telling me about ice, but everything is molecule and everything is moving. It's just when it go at a certain frequency.
Does that prove the earth is flat? What the hell does the point of telling me about
Dude, you try to use those tactics to say the earth is flat. Don't play games.
I'm showing you physical proof, evidence, and experimentation before
that is not physical proof. That is not evidence, because you fail to have the gravity that so-called what was that?
Not flat. Right. What this is what I'm
fail to use the fact of gravity. Okay, what is your take on gravity? Let me hear your take on gravity, because you failed to use gravity.
One point about lakes. I mean, you won't let me get to the end of 1 point and you want to move on. So
dude, you still on lakes? Go ahead, continue.
Yeah, 1 point. I haven't got to the end of 1 point yet, and you want to go
continue, bro. Continue.
Focus on one thing, right? We've got a lake. We'll establish that it's definitely not moving.
No, we did not establish that. That's what.
That was half a sentence. Half a sentence.
No, because stop lying. That's what you said. Continue. I gotta stop you in your tracks. Don't come on here and lie. Go ahead. Continue.
I'm not lying about anything. I'm stating absolute facts that anybody who is reasonable would agree with me on. Literally, I haven't said anything controversial yet. I'm trying to establish facts with you, and you're saying I'm trying to. Right. We've got a lake. It is absolutely still because it's frozen. Right, now we can go down to the molecular level if you like and say that at a fundamental level it's slightly moving, but for the reason of this demonstration, we'll say that like my glass of water, it's absolutely flat because it's frozen. Now, finally, my question, if the lake is 10 miles long, will that frozen lake conform to this shape of the earth and show curvature or not?
The lake will not show no curvature. If you're on this level, that's like, you know what your question is like right now? That's like telling me if you're walking up a hill, okay, would you fall back if you just jump off? We already know you're on a hill. Remember, now when you take an ant, and an ant is going up a hill, because I'm using this as a demonstration for what you say.
I haven't got an answer yet. Yes or no? It's a simple yes or no question. Will the lake show a curve or not? If the answer's
no, I already told you no, the lake will not show a curve. I already told you that.
That's not what your science says. Your science says that as a boat goes away from you, you would see it disappear over the curve of the earth. That's what your science tells. You don't even know.
Wrong. Hold on. Back up. You see, there you go again.
All right, mate. I'm done. You don't know jack.
You said my science. That's not my science. That's your European science.
Jack about your
because
own
you didn't even let me finish my point with the ant.
moron.
And I
You
see
are a moron.
you don't like
You don't
it.
understand
Like I
your
said,
own
people, watch you attack.
moron.
Watch you attack me. You see,
You don't understand
came on
your
here
own
and he thought he would have had it easy. No, Nathan, it doesn't work that way, Nathan. We run this over here, okay? Just like the sunset. They want you to believe the sunset goes out and shrink. No, you see the sun comes down. We're not buying this, all right? See, Nathan ran off of here. I let the man build, but I did this to prove a point. These damn agents couldn't control themselves.